one suspect entered the courts and injured the magistrate in that particular court and elders.
In a shocking turn of events at the Makadara Law Courts in Nairobi, Kenya, a magistrate has been shot and injured. The incident involved Principal Magistrate Monica Kivuti, who was targeted during an active court session. Police have confirmed that she was rushed to a nearby hospital for treatment after being shot in the thigh by a police officer. The shooting occurred shortly after Magistrate Kivuti delivered a ruling in a high-profile case involving the wife of a senior police officer. The officer responsible for the shooting has been identified as an OCS. His wife, who has been battling cancer, was accused in a case of obtaining money by false pretense amounting to 2.9 million shillings. She had been in and out of the hospital and had missed several court sessions. Despite her condition, she appeared in court today, still on oxygen support, prompting the magistrate to order her detention until the 27th and to cancel her bond. The police officer who shot the magistrate was fatally injured in the ensuing chaos. The incident has sent shockwaves through the legal community and raised serious concerns about security at court premises. Authorities are currently investigating the circumstances surrounding the shooting and the motive behind the police officer's actions. This incident underscores the volatile nature of some legal disputes and the potential dangers faced by those administering justice. Further updates will follow as more information becomes available.